Happy New Year to everyone watching this video. My name is Yasmi, in case this is your first time seeing me, and this is my kitchen taste and bloom, and I'm starting this new year with this very easy meat pie recipe. It's a lazy one, so trust me, everybody can make and enjoy it. I hope this recipe gives you a blissful start to the new year. Let's get started. So I have here some corned beef, and then for my vegetables of choice, I'll be using some carrots and onions. Yes, like I mentioned, it's a lazy recipe, so we are not going to stress, okay? So just mix together all these three ingredients and then set it aside and you're good to go. There's no need to cook it because corned beef can be eaten raw. Yes, you heard it here. And then I'll go ahead and start my pie crust. So I'm doing 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I added some curry powder, which is seasoned with some spices, and then I'll go in with some cold margarine. So the margarine is salted, so no need to add any salt. Once again, this is a lazy recipe, so everything is quick and easy to come by. So I grated the margarine for easy mixing, okay? And then I'm going in with some chilled water bit by bit so my dough is formed. Once again, I want to say a big thank you to my supporters, my subscribers from last year. You guys have been amazing. Thank you so much for the previous support. I'm craving and asking for your support this 2025 as well, and I know you're not going to disappoint me. So please, if you have not subscribed yet, please do so for me, okay? And leave the notification bell on so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be among the first persons to be notified by YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and roll out my pie dough. So I divided it into 2 for easy rollouts, but the thickness of your pie dough is up to you. I don't like it too thick, but if that's what you want, please go ahead and do that, okay? So as you can see, I'm trying to trim the ends off so it's easy to roll. I don't need any cutter or any cutting tools, nothing, okay? Just cut out and then fill my pie dough and then roll it out, and then I'll be using some eggs to seal the pie dough. In place of the egg, you can use just water and that's fine, but I'm going to be using the egg because I'll be using it to egg wash my pie as well. So once rolled out, Charlie, at this point, do it like the way you want it to be, okay? Because like I said, this is a lazy recipe. If you've watched the video till this end, I am super grateful. Please consider giving me a thumbs up on the video so that YouTube recommends my video moving forward. And also, I'd like to know what you think about this recipe, so definitely leave your comments down below. And also share this video once you are done watching. This new year, aside everything, I wish you long life filled with good health, okay? And of course, I'll be sharing more deliciously yummy homemade foods. So be sure to stick around and let's ace this year as well, okay? Thank you for joining me, and I hope you are inspired to try this recipe. And until we meet again in another video, please don't ever forget to keep blooming.